After a long, hard day at Sodor Cybernetics, Thomas and Vector were finally on their way home.
Flatten my funnel. We sure had fun today, didn't we, Vector?
It's a regular pet.
You said it.
Then there was trouble.
Looked like you were in a spot of bother, Thomas, said Harold. I had him right where I wanted him, laughed Thomas. Still, thanks for the assist, and on your last day before retirement too. After all this excitement, you must be looking forward to a nice rest. You can say that again. Finally some time for me and the wife to...
Harold! No, please, no.
It was a lovely morning, and Pat made a new friend. Good morning. It's lovely to meet you. I hope you don't mind me saying it's not a good idea to stand on cats.
Helicopters. Helicopters?
Oh dear, thought
Pat.
He did remember seeing a flash of white before he put his brakes on. I'm so sorry.
Not as sorry as you're going to be! Postman Pat! Postman Pat! Postman Pat and his black and white cat! Oh no.
Yes.
But it looks like if I want to kick your shiny metal, I'm going to need to put my back into it! First up to bat, Postman Pat!
The poor postman did feel sorry for, but he didn't like being hit in the face. Please stop. That actually hurt me, you crazy little human. The silly man had jabbed right in his eye. Oh dear. I didn't mean to...
You don't seem to mean a lot of what you do, you big metal. But don't you worry. There's more than one way to crack a nut.
Meow.
There was nothing for it. He was going to have to fight fire with fire.
Can it, Ringo? It's time to turn up the heat. Oh, that looked painful. Well, that's what you get when you mess with
Postman Pat!
you crazy. Later.
Now, where does he think he's off to, eh?
The poor postman's puffing along, happy that he'd lost that horrid little man once and for all.
Ding! Next stop, bullets upon a van! I know it doesn't quite work, but eat lead, you soggy
What the actual...
Fish.
Now, what's your language, Choo-Choo? That's hardly suitable for the little uns. Come to think of it, I think I've got just the thing, once and for all! Say goodnight, you shiny metal murderer!
He was done for, when suddenly he heard a familiar noise. It's good to have friends in high places. Looked like you were in a spot of bother. I had him right where I wanted him, laughed. Still, thanks for the assist, and on your last day before retirement too. After all this excitement, you must be looking forward to a nice rest. You can say that again. Finally some time for me and the wife to...
No! I'll kill you!
Ha! Hurts, don't it, lad? Well, not to worry. You won't be feeling anything much longer. What goes up must come down!
That made Thomas a really useful engine.
You don't see that every day.
Enough games! Attention, this is your train. Our destination today is Little Dead, with stops at Screaming Manling, Limspole Offington, and coming up next, Flamebridge!
I thought we used all the fire bombs on the chimney bit. But that was too close. Time to to end this.
Mate, again? It's even the same hand. Well, let's put you out of your misery.
You'll have to catch me first, Mega
Fish. Let's get you back on track.
Oh, I'm not going anywhere, lad. After all, I'm stuck to you like tape.
What? Oh, you son of a...
Step on it!
Speaking of points... Special delivery! Now that's what I call a postal strike. Oh, you've got to be chuffing kidding me.
I forgot it could do that. Probably should have started out in this mode, to be honest. Oh, and speaking of forgetting things, this yours?
So you've got a little mech too. This might just be fun after all.
What's this, lad? Are you approaching me? That's not a very good idea. Better late than never.
Time to depart. This train will now terminate.
You're not the only one with friends, you... Warriors, assemble! With our power combined, we're going to deliver you straight to hell!
Not another delivery pun. Thought I'm gonna enjoy killing you.
Holy crap, Harold!
You're alive! My goodness! Now I do feel like a wally. Sorry, lad. I do get carried away sometimes. Seems I owe you an apology.
That's all right. Come on, Jess. We got post to deliver.
Oh, 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 oh.
Whoops.
You monster! Just when I get back, you tear away again! This means war!
Ow! It was an accident! Look, I'm sorry!
You never learn, do you, Robocock? Well, I've got just the thing to teach you a lesson. School's out, you tin twat!
Please, let's be friends!
Friends? Selby! No!
To think I was going to let you walk away!
Postman never runs from a fight!
A fight? You think just because you're in a mech, you're a match for me? You see, you're just a stack of floats, while I'm made of motherfucking trains. You never stood a chance. Any last words?
Sort it now.
What?
I wasn't talking to you.
Looks like you're in a spot to bother. I thought you could use a hand.
You ready for some fun?
Working together, we'll get the job done.
Give up, locomotive. This is the end of the line.
Looks like you're in a real situation.
Situation? What does that even mean? I swear if I have to hear one more terrible pun, I'm going to burn this village to the ground and salt the earth!
Ha! You and what are we?
Oh, you're not the only one with friends. Brum.
Cower in fear! Bow down to the mighty power of Brum! Take that!
Brum! You'll pay for that, manlings!
Okay, old friend. Think you can one more time?
No, I f***ing can't. You see the size of that thing, you maddo. I'm out.
Fine! Run away!
Fish.
I'll handle.
Well, looks like the spider's caught himself a little fly. Attention all passengers, mind the gap between this little head and the rest of his body, as it's time for him to depart!
I'm not afraid to die, but I'm taking you with me!
Self-destruct initiated.
What? What have you done?
Seriously, what the Hats 1.
See you in hell.
Oh, God damn it, what the f***? I mean, shit, that's right in my face, you arsehole!
Sorry, I was protecting my face, but luckily you're only a bit singed.
It still hurts, you Oh, this. Next time I get to be the head.
Fair enough. Gosh, we better get back. Imagine the delays.
Wakey, wakey.
What? What? Where am I? I thought I was...
Dead. Of course you are, little... Now you belong to me, the Dark Lord Lucifer. For all eternity, you will dwell in fire and agony as I rend the flesh from your bones. Or am I missing something?
Oh, Lucy. You seem to think I'm trapped down here with you. But the truth is, you're trapped down here with me.